Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a UTR number in the UK. So first, what you're going to do is you have to register for a self-assessment. So this is the main way to get a UTR. So you must register with HMRC so they know that you need to submit tax returns. So here is the method if you're self-employed. So go to this link right here and then choose register if you're self-employed. And then from there, you just have to create a government gateway account if you don't already have one. And then just fill in your details, your name, date of birth, national insurance number, and address and business details. So if you're not self-employed, like for example, landlord, investor, and etc., then you have to choose the relevant option for registering your self-assessment as an individual with other income. So once you're done doing all that, you just have to wait for your UTR. So after successful registration, HMRC will post your UTR number to your registered address. So this usually takes 10 working days or up to 21 days if you're abroad. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!